Thinking about upgrading your home? You might want to hit pause until you see these smart Amazon gadgets that make everyday living easier, cleaner, and way more convenient. From clever automation to space-saving solutions, these picks do the hard work so you don't have to. All products are linked in the description below. Keep your phone exactly where you need it with this magnetic desk mount. The strong MagSafe compatible magnet holds your device securely, and the included metal ring makes it work with any smartphone. A flexible 360 degrees gooseneck arm lets you adjust height and angle for perfect viewing, whether at your desk, bedside, or even while lying down. Made of sturdy metal, it's durable and stable without straining your neck or arms. Foldable and easy to store, it's the ultimate hands-free phone setup. Bring calm and style to any room with this boat-shaped essential oil diffuser. It holds 250 milliliters of water and can run up to 12 hours, keeping your space humidified and fresh without constant refills. Super quiet at under 25 decibels, it won't disturb sleep or work. Choose from 7 LED colors and 2 mist modes to set the perfect mood. With a timer, auto shutoff, and remote control, it's safe, convenient, and relaxing all at once. Upgrade your kitchen with this all-in-one stainless steel sink. The single bowl design features 2 waterfall-style outlets for fast, even rinsing, and a built-in pull-down spray faucet that rotates 360 degrees for ultimate flexibility. A digital display shows water temperature, and 3 water modes let you switch easily between tasks. Accessories like a cup washer, drainage basket, chopping board, and knife rack keep everything organized and handy. Durable, modern, and easy to clean, it turns everyday chores into a smooth, efficient experience. This coffee table is next-level smart furniture. It has built-in fridge drawers to keep drinks and snacks cold, plus extra storage for anything else. Dual Bluetooth speakers with deep bass and RGB lights turn your living room into a mini party. Charge all your devices at once with wireless charging, USB ports, and power outlets built right in. Sleek, durable, and easy to clean, it's the ultimate mix of style, convenience, and fun. Turn your wall into a personal boxing arena with this interactive music punching machine. Hit the LED targets and watch your punches get counted while music keeps you pumped. With 9 modes and speeds, it's perfect for building speed, coordination, and stamina. Kids, adults, and fitness fans can all join in. Soft, rebound foam protects your hands, and the included gloves make training safe and fun. Wall-mounted and space-saving, it brings a full workout right into your home. Upgrade your kitchen game with this 17-piece knife set. Each blade is forged from German stainless steel, strong, rust-resistant, and ready for any chopping or slicing task. The ergonomic handles feel natural in your hand, giving you precision and control with every cut. A built-in sharpener in the block keeps your knives razor sharp for years, so you never struggle with dull edges. Sleek, durable, and professional quality, it's perfect for home chefs who want efficiency and style. Never lose your stuff again with these small, smart trackers. Stick them on keys, bags, or anything you want to keep tabs on, then use the app to find them instantly. They're water and dust resistant, so spills or rain won't stop them from working. Each tracker lasts up to 1.5 years on a single battery. Compact, reliable, and easy to use, they take the stress out of misplacing your essentials. Bring a touch of retro charm to your desk with this flip clock. Every minute, the mechanical cards flip down with a soft, satisfying sound, showing big, easy-to-read numbers. Its internal gears and quartz movement keep time accurately while staying quietly in the background. The stainless steel frame is sleek, minimal, and easy to clean. Perfect for home or office decor, it's both a functional clock and a stylish conversation piece. Ironing just got a lot smarter and smaller. This folding tabletop board tucks neatly away when not in use, saving space in any home. It has a built-in iron holder, so everything stays in one place, and a wall hook keeps it within easy reach. The special drip lock cover handles steam and high heat without leaving watermarks. Compact but roomy, it's perfect for shirts, pants, dresses. Everything fits comfortably. Say goodbye to chilly desks with this compact personal space heater. It warms up in just half a second, spreading heat evenly all around your hands and workspace. 3 adjustable temperatures let you find the perfect cozy spot, while an energy-saving chip keeps it efficient. Safety features like overheat and tip-over protection make it worry-free. Quiet, portable, and foldable, it's the perfect winter companion for home or office. Turn your messy kitchen drawer into an organized dream. This 9-in-1 bamboo organizer holds foil, plastic wrap, wax paper, and storage bags of all sizes, keeping everything in its place. A built-in slide cutter makes wrapping quick and effortless, while included labels help you find what you need fast. Made of sturdy natural bamboo, it's durable and eco-friendly. With everything neatly arranged, your drawers stay tidy and stress-free. Wake-up time just got a lot more fun. This kid's alarm clock pops up cute emoji faces that react when touched, making mornings playful instead of stressful. You can set 2 alarms, pick from 5 ringtones, and adjust the volume so it's just right for your child. A warm, adjustable nightlight keeps the room cozy, and voice-activated mode lets kids tap or call to turn it on. Shake it to snooze and enjoy a gentle, happy start to every day. Time to turn your shower into a private concert. This mini waterproof speaker sticks anywhere with its suction cup or hangs with a silicone lanyard. You'll get rich, crystal clear sound and booming bass, loud enough to fill the whole bathroom without distortion. Drop it in water or take it to the pool. IPX. 7 waterproofing keeps it safe for up to a meter underwater. Compact, easy to use, and 15 hours of playtime means your favorite tunes go wherever you do. Who said chores can't be fun? This ride-on car lets kids zoom around while helping with cleaning thanks to a detachable mop. 5 adjustable speeds and a soft start motor make rides smooth and safe, with parents in control if needed. It even doubles as a go-kart with hidden storage for toys or snacks. Easy to assemble, lightweight, and built for both indoor and outdoor adventures. Perfect for fun, learning, and a little extra help around the house. Grab a paper towel without touching a thing. This touchless dispenser senses your hand and delivers just the right amount. No mess, no fuss. Unused sheets retract automatically, keeping the roll clean and dry. Loading a new roll is simple, and it works with most standard paper towels. Plug it in or run on batteries, making it perfect for kitchens, workshops, or anywhere hands get messy. Let your curtains open themselves while you stay cozy in bed. This automatic curtain opener attaches to your existing rod. No tools or drilling needed. Control it from your phone, smart hub, or voice assistant for hands-free operation. A strong, quiet motor moves heavy curtains smoothly without disturbing your morning calm. Setup is simple, and it keeps light gaps sealed, making your room feel smarter and more comfortable. This isn't just a flower pot. It's a tiny plant with personality. The smart planter uses built-in sensors to monitor water, light, and temperature, then shows cute animated expressions to tell you what it needs. A hidden water tank keeps plants hydrated for days, so you don't have to babysit them. The screen can even display photos, time, or weather like a mini digital frame. Fun, interactive, and surprisingly helpful for beginner plant parents. One pair of dumbbells, endless workout options. This adjustable set lets you switch weights in seconds, so you can go from light warm-ups to serious strength training without changing equipment. The square design won't roll away and even supports moves like push-ups. A textured handle keeps your grip secure when your hands get sweaty. Compact and space-saving, it's perfect for full-body workouts right at home. Cooking with oil doesn't have to be messy or excessive. This glass dispenser lets you measure and pour the exact amount you need with a simple press. The built-in scale shows how much you're using, helping you control calories and avoid waste. A drip-free spout keeps countertops clean and slippery bottles off your hands. Refillable, easy to clean, and perfect for oils, vinegar, or sauces. Your couch just became command central. This sofa caddy holds your drink, snacks, phone, and remotes all in one place. A self-balancing cup holder keeps your drink upright even on soft cushions, helping prevent spills. Modular compartments let you arrange the layout exactly how you like. There's even a phone stand and hidden space for a power bank to keep devices charged. Perfect for movie nights, gaming sessions, or lazy Sundays. Opening bottles just got way more fun. This penguin-shaped gadget pops caps off automatically. Just place it on top and push down. Built-in magnets grab the cap instantly so it doesn't fly across the room. The body even stores the caps inside, keeping your table clean. Small, portable, and oddly satisfying to use, it's perfect for parties, picnics, or your home bar. Your bedside table just got a serious upgrade. This smart nightstand charges your phone wirelessly, while extra USB and Type-C ports power everything else. A motion sensor light turns on as you approach, then shuts off when you leave. No fumbling in the dark. The rotating workstation adjusts in height and angle, perfect for working or snacking in bed. 2 drawers, open shelves, and lockable wheels keep everything organized and mobile. Fresh herbs without dirt, mess, or guesswork. This indoor garden grows basil and other plants right on your kitchen counter using built-in LED lights that mimic sunlight. Just drop in the pods, add water, and plug it in. No green thumb required. The self-watering system feeds plants automatically, so you don't have to remember daily care. Snip what you need for cooking and watch it grow back again. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.